Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about plastic polish. This polish has been specifically formulated to bring clarity and brilliance back to your plastic parts. It's ideal for taillights, headlights, instrument gauges, Lexan windshields such as those found on motorcycles, and even those hard to clean and fix convertible top windows that sometimes appear cloudy and can definitely be a danger. It's perfectly safe for all of those plastic surfaces and can be used by either hand or machine. So to show you how easy plastic polish is to use, I'm going to demonstrate it on these 53-year-old tail lamps that are coming off of our 2017 SEMA project car. Now they're original equipment and they definitely have quite a bit of scratches, so I want to improve the clarity and put the original lenses back on. Now I've already cleaned these using plastic cleaner and then followed with a decontamination step using speed shine and paint cleaning clay. Now I'm going to polish. First, I'm going to start by hand, and then if I can't get the desired results, I'm going to use a machine. Now, typically, you're going to leave your lens or taillight or piece of plastic on the car, but if you have the luxury of taking them out, taillights aren't really that hard to remove. Take them off, that way you can get all the way around the lens and get really, really thorough in your restoration process. So, I'm going to apply plastic polish to an orange foam correcting pad and try this by hand. You don't need a lot, but again, we still recommend you butter the pad like normal. And then again, I've got great access to this lens, so I'm just going to start working it. Okay, so I've just polished this side of the lens by hand and it's looking great. It's responding really well. It's older, softer plastic, so the polish is really helping to clarify that. For the other side, I'm going to show you how to use it by machine. Again, we still have some of that cloudiness that I was able to remedy on the other side. Just going to show you how to do it by machine. So I have our 3-inch random orbital affixed with a 2-inch backing plate and a 2-inch foam correcting pad just to work on this pretty tight spot. I'm going to start at a slow speed and then work my way up to a faster speed. Now, one of the downsides of removing this is that I don't have a stable platform, so I'm going to do my best to hold it in place while I work with the machine. This could be one of the benefits of leaving the lenses or instrument gauges in place when you do the polishing, but I'm just going to show you how to do this by machine so you can do it safely. Now, once again, this has already been prepped, so we don't have to revisit that. We're just going to put the pad directly on onto the lens. So I really don't have to use much pressure at all. You can see we're getting a lot of vibration just due to me holding this. Well, now that turned out great as well, and we actually see a little bit more clarification and swirl and scratch reduction than we do on the hand side. It's always going to be typical of a hand process versus a machine process, and you saw I had to do very little effort outside of just stabilizing this thing. The machine did all the work, and that looks really, really nice. So I'm going to repeat that machine process on the other side, get it to a consistent finish, and these things should be good to go back on the car. So as you can see from the after versus what we started with, this is an incredible result. I am extremely happy. I don't have to buy new lenses for our project car. Plastic polish clearly did the trick, and I have a high level of confidence in this product as a result. Next step, I got to do the other one, and then we're going to drop them back on the car and hopefully show up at SEMA with a very, very nice, well-maintained car. Thank you for watching. For more information on plastic polish and the plastic polishing and restoration process, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage. Dude, that is a drastic improvement. Seriously. Holy shit.
That good, huh?
What?
That good, huh?
Yeah, seriously, I'm pretty freaking happy. I mean, look at that. I don't know if you can...
And that is no...